better say it right now, cause you don't have another day. Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. These memories are playing like a film without sound. And I keep thinking of the night in June. I didn't know much of love, but it came too soon. And it was me and you, and then we got real blue. Stay at home talking on the telephone, and we would get so excited and we'd get so scared, laughing at ourselves, thinking life's not fair. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. So if we get the big jobs and we make the big money, when we look back now, will our jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Will little brainy Bobby be the stockbroker man? Can he ever find a job that won't interfere with the tan? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. Keep on thinking it's our time to fly. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. Friends forever.
Sir, good afternoon. Unang-una sir, congratulations kasi nakagraduate na kayo sir sa ROTC. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga naturo nyo, sa lahat ng mga experiences na paramdam nyo sa amin. Naturuan nyo po akong maging matatag, naturuan nyo po akong makapag-isip ng maayos, at nadagdagan nyo po ang aking knowledge regarding sa mga nakapaligid sa akin. So sa lahat-lahat po, maraming salamat.
Una sa lahat, Sir Bruma, Sir Bigarme, Sir Villanueva, salamat po sa mga turo niyo sa amin. Hindi ko po malilimutan yung mga turo niyo sa amin, tsaka yung mga aral na binigay niyo sa amin. Sana po sir, ganito pa rin ang ating samahan.
Review na sir. Hello sir, thank you po sa lahat, and thank you sir kasi natulungan niyo kami physically, mentally, and spiritually. At saka thank you po sa lahat ng bondings and moments natin na magkakasama together. Thank you po sa...
Maraming salamat sir. Thank you sir. Bye-bye. Love you sir. Idol, alam mo yan kung sino